we've sold out this evening and we've stopped off at a campsite. It's a National Trust campsite called Langdale Campsite. It's actually a really nice place. There's mountains surrounding, lots of trees, very spacious here, and the owners were really friendly and really nice. So it just gives us opportunity to use the facilities, get in those showers. We took all our wet kayak gear into the drying room today, which is a real luxury. So yeah, we're just going to have a nice relaxing evening here before tomorrow being able to leave the van safely and head out for a little day walk. Fingers crossed for good weather. So that's the plan. So it was all a bit surreal, our first experience of the Lake District, and then on our first day when we were driving through the Lake District, disaster nearly struck, and we were driving up that steep hill, and then all of a sudden we could smell smoke, and we realised that somewhere within the engine there was a fire.
There was a fire.
Yeah, there was a fire. Our van was on fire, and I just freaked out because I just saw all of our hard work. Literally, I could see it go up in flames. Yeah, right
Smoke.
on cue.
Yeah.
Right on cue. That's what it was like. And I was screaming like a banshee, and you were trying to stay calm.
I was calm. I was just. I
know, but
was
I was
like,
freaking
Ellie,
out.
you need to just chill out. You need to let me deal with this.
And I'm there with a fire extinguisher, like, we need to put it out. We need to put it out. Oh my god. That
We put it out. It was only the old engine.
It was the insulation. It
the
deteriorated.
insulation deteriorated and it broke open and just caught fire. And now
it was touching the exhaust, wasn't it? And the
Yeah.
heat from the exhaust, because we were going up that steep hill, so the exhaust
Yeah.
was really hot.
it just caught fire basically. So
And bless you, you were under the van, literally, in your brand new nice clothes, because it was the first time in 6 weeks that you were able to wear nice clean clothes, because you've been in work clothes the whole time.
yeah.
And you ruined all your clothes under the van, pulling off this burning insulation with your bare hands.
And I had fire extinguisher all over my face.
Because I was determined to use that fire extinguisher. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my
was
god.
crazy.
That was insane. But it
Yeah.
happened on the first day, and so we got the big drama out of the way, and you saved the day, you put out the fire, everything was fine. The van smelled a bit funky for a few days from the fire.
Yeah.
But no, we still soldiered on.
I know, we managed it, and I'm glad that this trip so far, the only hiccup we've had really is a bit of bad weather at the start,
I know,
and
but
some
look at it
holes
now.
and some holes in the kayak.
Yes, a couple of little punches.
I class them as posh problems.
But again, you fixed the problem, so
Yeah.
all was good.
Right, welcome to a lovely, glorious day in the Lake Districts. We've got blue skies, so it's going to be nice to go for a little walk today, and we are going to go up the Langdale Pikes. So it's about 4.5 miles, so it could be about 3-4 hour round trip, but it's going to be nice. Takes us up to about 700 meters. You gotta love Ellie. So yesterday she came back from the shop and she bought me one of these. Oh, upside down. Like when I was a kid, when I used to come to campsites, always used to go straight to the shop and see what they had. And I used to love things like this. I used to love it. And I was telling her about it, and then yesterday she came back with a walking magazine and one of these. So how cute is that? So I'm just going to build it up and give it a fly.
I have to say, as campsites go, this is a really nice one. There's so many trees here that there's loads of little birds all hopping around, and all morning we've had birds picking at cookie crumbs just outside the door. One of them is my very favourite bird of all, and that's a robin. I've got a really soft spot for robins. It's such a cheeky little bird. It's even been coming and sitting inside the van, so yeah, that's been really sweet. So you'll know that I love robins because I always have my little robin pendant, and even around the van we've got a few little robins. Got this one, which I painted. Over here, this is one that Scott bought me for Christmas. So it's time to head out on our walk now. Such a lovely day.
Maps. Old man's maps. It's a map. This way. Pointy shot. What a pointy shot up there. We go this way. Come on.
I wanna go there someday. I know we're going somewhere, into the danger zone. It all points right to that. I set myself aside, lead the way on this trial. If you don't know the way, we can stop and make a change. I know we walk for days, losing hope, fading love. This night will be okay, waking up to another day.
Right, so that's us all fueled up, and we are gonna go up there, which takes us up to the top, Harrison Stickle, which is about 720 meters, I think. But I need to get to the top. So hopefully, if it's not too windy, I'm gonna get to the summit. Summit junkie, she calls me. Right, let's get up. So that's the nice, amazing walk done today with amazing views. We've moved on from the National Trust car park. We just picked up Florence. We've just travelled down the road to the local pub. So we're going to go in and treat ourselves to a well-earned, nice cooked meal, and then probably just find somewhere quick to park up to later on. How was today then?
Well, I found it quite strenuous, but it was very, very beautiful walk. So really loved this valley here. It reminded me of the Alps, maybe. Yeah, really, really lovely part of the Lake District. So I'm really glad we came here. Yeah, looking forward to getting a pint and some pub grub. I think we've definitely earned it today.
So we will probably catch you in the morning now. It's supposed to be a really nice day, so what we're doing tomorrow we don't know, but all we know is tonight we're going to put our feet up, enjoy some pub food and a nice drink. Right, catch you in the morning. Good morning, and we are just below the Old Man of Coniston. But yeah, this place must be popular for the old van life community, because last night we arrived probably just coming up to 10 o'clock, and yeah, there was quite a lot of vans here. But this morning, about 9:30, it is chock-a-block here with walkers. It is Saturday, so which is understandable. But yeah, beautiful place, really, really nice. So we're going to hang out here for today, because we go home tomorrow, which is a sad thing.
So whilst we're having a very lazy day in the van after a busy couple of days, we get asked all the time is who kind of does what within our filmmaking. Scott actually does the majority of the filming with the cameras, with the drone and the time lapses. Scott loves using the cameras, whereas I really enjoy editing. So I do all the edits on our Explorer Buddies films. When Scott goes away on his solo trips, he edits those films himself. Prior to filmmaking, we were both professional photographers. We did that for 8 years, and that's how we actually met, was through photography. Scott was a photographer whose work I'd seen online, and I really admired his work. So I contacted him as an aspirational young photographer and said, can I shadow you on a shoot? And he was lovely and said, yeah, sure, come along. And yeah, we just kind of hit it off after that meeting, and the rest is history, and here we are, Explorer Buddies for life. That was really cool on Wazwater when we went out on the kayak.
Yeah, that was lovely.
Yeah, that
really
was
nice.
I think Wazwater and the whole Wasdale area, really, I think that's definitely one of my favourite parts of the Lake District. It's so beautiful, and it's so nice that by day you can actually park up on the lakeside, so you can go out in your kayak or you can have a picnic there, and you know, it doesn't have the same restrictions that other places in the Lake District has during the day.
It was really nice, and yeah, I really enjoyed it. It was just so beautiful and the weather was just perfect, really. And but yesterday was, I feel that yesterday was the first day that I truly like seeing the Lake District in all of its beauty. You know, I think the Lake District, you can drive around it okay and it looks pretty and it looks lovely, but I think to see the true Lake District you have got to put the graft in and get up those mountains, because once you get up there and you've got nice weather, it really reveals its true beauty.
So the time has come, we've got to hit the road and head back down to the southwest. We're going to drive off into this glorious sunshine, but we have to go home.
Yeah, sad. The week has flown by. But yeah, the Lake District is not disappointed, and we're glad we came back for another, you know, another dose of it. Hopefully, fingers crossed, next trip might be to North Wales, you know. We will have to wait and see. But any questions about our trip, you know, please, you know, leave them in the comments below. Give us a subscribe if you like the video, and we will see you on the next trip.
Bye. Thank you for watching. Do let us know what you thought. If you'd like to see more, hit the subscribe button. Check out our other videos. Head over to our website. We've got a range of blogs that tell you more about us and Florence. Check out our new range of merchandise, helping us to continue producing our films.